Alright guys, so it's break time right now. Chris and I are going to the little lake here just to see if there's any fish in it. He's been questioning if there's any fish in that little pond that's on the side of the track, so I said screw it, I got my fishing gear, let's go check it out.
Say what's up, dog.
How you been surviving the quarantine, my guy?
Trying to. Basically been living here.
Yeah.
At home I'm so bored. And if I'm home, I'm in the shop trying to finish this stupid car.
Car looks good though.
It does look good. It's still stupid. It looked good though.
I'm gonna go and check out Chris's cars sometime this week, so we'll give you guys an update because I'm telling you right now it looks uber sick. I'm gonna do one of those things, sneak peek, and yeah, probably Friday we'll go over there. What are we doing now?
Well, I want to see if there's any fish in Moto Pond. I think there is.
So we'll take a break from working on the vet.
Did we even start working on the vet though?
Kinda. We looked at it. There's 2 valve stems floating in the tire somewhere.
One of the tires, yeah.
But I'm gonna leave it here, and yeah, let's go get some fish.
For sure.
Alright guys, take my word for it. I'm gonna race on this track one day, let you guys know when I'm coming out. Gonna ride a 1992 bone stock CR 125. Some gigantic whips off that jump. You guys ride dirt bikes in the channel, let me know. If you're here for drift content, we're just gonna do everything. Just gonna have some fun. Even casting that into a little, like the tiniest lake ever. Wait, that's a fish.
It's a catfish.
Hey, dude, that's sick. Dude, I cannot believe you just caught a catfish.
Isn't that cool? Look how fat he is.
What's he been eating?
So
they're definitely bigger in here.
Probably. Yeah. Throw you back. Ow, he bit me.
Did he?
Yeah.
They got. Ran out of time yesterday, so we are going to try and get at least the brake pads done because we're having issues with the actual harness itself. These are the Willwood Polymatrix disc brake pads. They are, you guys want to check them out, they are pretty sick. A lot beefier. So these should grab under a lot of heat and under a lot of stress. They should be really, really good. So let's get the other Willwoods off and then we'll switch these out right now. The Willwood, you're supposed to be able to just slide the pads out, no problem. I feel like we're gonna run into problems. So we gotta bend this pin out, slide this pin, take the original, might even have to push this piston in. Originals that came with the kit.
This son bitch won't come out.
Brand new pads for sale. Oh wow, This one's already worn out. That ain't good. So my hope is it grabs a little bit better with when it actually gets hot. 1 and 2. I hope these make a huge difference. We'll see. All right, guys, so I barely driven this car, and as you can tell, they're like lipping out. Already looks worn. Probably the reason why we had like this little pocket. This was probably pushing on the actual rotor itself, and it wasn't engaging too much, or this was kind of just like misplaced to the point where it was rubbing on the top right here, and it really wasn't getting a nice contact with the actual rotor itself. So hopefully, maybe the rotors are the issue, but I think with the Polymatrix pads, shout out NPR Josh again, I think we're gonna be all right. I think it'll be perfectly fine for this situation. So let's do the other side now. The e-brake don't work. The e-brake doesn't work. We're gonna actually test out to see if those Willwoods actually lock up and if we're gonna have that issue with play. So I'm gonna jump in the car with Chris, and then we're also gonna get an outside view as well of Chris pulling it, going straight and whatnot. And yeah, hopefully we get some type of progress with the Vet, and we can see it on the track soon. On the e-brake. Wow, what the f?
It's different, right?
All right, Chris, what do you think of the new brakes?
They're better. They're a lot better. I think it'll do it again.
No?
No, I don't think so. It doesn't feel as mushy either. And I'm like, oh, you got so much air in the system, blah, blah, blah. No, just the pads.
I can't believe that, dude.
Right? Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, dude.
Just the pads.
So if you had this, for any vet owner that has the DriftHQ setup, they need these pads, right?
Yeah, yeah. I don't know what they are, but yeah. I don't know what pads these are.
All right, so overall, you're pretty pumped to drive this thing soon.
I'll test it, but you gotta be pumped to drive this thing.
No, you're gonna be my driver. You're just a straight tester.
What are you talking about?
You are the brand new vet owner.
No. All
right, guys. Special thanks to Chris. We didn't get to drive the car. We still have a couple other things that we need to do, but we were able to test to make sure that the actual brake pads are locking up now. Shout out to Josh for hooking us up and letting us know that this is what you have to do. I had like 6 or 7 other vet owners asking the same issue that I was having of it not locking up, and I just guessed that the pads that were, coming with these calipers weren't as aggressive or locking up properly, and these right out the box.
These are pretty sticky.
Yeah.
I didn't, no warm-ups, nothing. I just pulled, and it was just like
sticky icky.
Very sticky.
But we're gonna go snap some shots for you guys. We're gonna probably snap a TikTok we're probably gonna take a talk real quick. Right? Is that?
I don't know.
You're younger than me, so you'll know better. Shout out to East Coast Drift School. Follow him. He's also gonna sell some merch too. Support him. Follow his Instagram. The whole 9. I don't know. I'm gonna do one of those things because I'm pumped now.
You're gonna make me merch?
Yeah, I'm gonna. I guess.
Sick.
I'm just kidding. All right, guys, like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you again for watching. Thank you for the support. Also, too, don't loot and riot yet. I mean, you could protest, just don't loot.
Looting is bad.
Yeah, looting's bad. So.